Right, gentlemen, what are we doing?
This is just to put my mind at ease. Voltmeter, fan, air source. The air source will blow the fan blades round and round and round really fast. Connect the voltmeter to the fan to see if it will generate electricity. I had a discussion in the week with somebody, a family member close to me, who said that when you clean out computers with fans, they don't generate enough electricity to kill a motherboard. So I'm going to either prove that correct or disprove it. Right then, Jacob, I need an extra set of hands to mount, so could you a bit of noise. He says it helps if you turn the fan on at the mains first. Oh!
So, do we draw any conclusions, Bernie?
Yes, if these are still connected, although we cut the ends off for this one. So if you have any fans in your system whilst you're cleaning out your system with either a can of compressed air, or if you've splashed out and bought one of these,
or a vacuum cleaner,
on reverse, and you spin the fans up whilst they're still connected to the motherboard, your fans will generate a voltage which is enough voltage and current to fry an important chip or two on a motherboard. So when you plug your computer back in after you've dedusted it, it may or may not work. You know, there is some. I have killed a motherboard in the past using this method, so now whenever I clean out a motherboard, I always make sure I disconnect the fans from the motherboard. Okay. So that'll be the CPU cooler and any case fans.
I've made the board go bang.
So it's conclusive.
It's conclusive that if you spin these up fast enough, the motors will become generators.
Okay, so if anyone's got any comments to make on that, please leave a comment in the sections below, and subscribe to our YouTube videos. And if you've liked this quick myth buster, please give us a thumbs up. Cheerio!